Just perched there.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Guys, look at Monday. Look at Monday. Monday is saying everything. The sun is out. Look at Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. On my way to work. Hi guys, so this morning is Tuesday and outside is looking really sunny. So yesterday and today, oh, we've been spoiled. I'm going to throw the rubbish away and then I'm off to work. But the weather is weathering. Look at that. Is it the end of the damp and gloom and rainy season? Yep. And the sun is actually feeling a little bit warm as well. But yeah, it's a good one. There it is, people. It ain't fake. The sun is out. And it starts to feel spring-like as well. So I'm excited. So now we can go outside. We can be outside doing lovely, lovely content without have to worry about, oh, my finger's getting, it's freezing. You know, I don't like to wear gloves. I normally buy gloves, but I don't wear them much because I take them off and I take them off on the bus and leave them on the bus. So, or on the train or on the tube, you know. So I just caveman the whole thing. But yeah, I'm on my way to work and my spirit's been lifted. Well, you know, because when you see the sun, you get all cheerful. You just want to dance and wear your little short skirts and your little shorts. Yes, baby. We are finally out of the doom and gloom. So lots more content outside and lots more to do and see. All right. So listen, I'm going to lock off right now. I'm going to show you the sun again so you can clap for us in the comment section. Like, yay, the sun is out for the UK. Listen, since January begins, it's been doom and gloom. Okay, so here we go. See there? It ain't fake. Today I'm a little bit early today because normally I would have to stay at home and goes, oh, Nicole, my daughter. But today she's at her dad, so I can leave the house without saying, oh, Nicole, can you go do that? Or, oh, Nicole, can you do this? So, yeah. Well, yeah, loving the weather. I'm at the station now. Where's my card? Tap, open. Yeah. So, listen, let me hit you up later. Alright? If I see anything on the road exciting, you know I'm gonna let you see it too. As well. So, yeah. Bye. You know where I haven't been for a long time? I haven't been up to the city for a long time. I might take you up there with me. I want to go to IKEA. So I might take you there. My train is here. Oops, false alarm is not my train. It's that train. My train is here now. Yeah, there comes my train. I'll see you later, guys. Whatever you do today, I hope you have a great day, okay? Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for watching the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you. Hi guys. Since today the sky is just really misty. Oh my gosh. This is the cat. Look at the cat.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. Options to stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime. I need to slow down, yeah. So many things we could have been.
So this is what I'm talking about. There you go. Let's see, 20 is...
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down.
Hi guys, so as you can see, the weather is a bit better today. Yesterday was foggy. Listen, in the UK, no 2 days are the same. This minute it's foggy. Next minute it's cloudy or misty and cold, and the next minute sunshine. And here comes the sun again. Listen, I always give it the sunshine. I had a really... Why am I so orange? I've got a really busy day. I had a really busy day yesterday. Oh, super tired. But I'm on my way to work. So the weather is weathering today again. Another good day. Yesterday was foggy, and today is a whole lot better. A whole lot better today. I feel like I want to walk it, but I don't think I want to walk it. I don't know. Should I? The bus coming. This is home. The weather is. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk a little while. I'm not going to walk the whole length of work because I'll be late. But I'm going to walk a little bit because the bus is not coming. And I can't be bothered to wait. So if I walk, then I will be able to get some exercise in today. All these taxis, where are they going? Okay, let me just walk a little bit to the next stop. Trying to get my steps in. But at the end of the day, I have to make sure that I keep my phone safe. Because these bicycle people, they will steal your phone. Yep. Still no bus. I'm gonna go to the next bus stop. Hopefully we get a bus by then. Check this bicycle, she's a driver. A rider rather, not a driver. And this is Waterloo. The Royal Waterloo Hospital for Children and Women. Guys, the sky is so nice and blue. There's nothing going on the road today. Listen, the day is like, it feels so good. And I feel like I have too many clothes on. But it looks good. I'm going to the next stop. See what it's all about. If there's any bus coming.